What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Nick? Quick demo video for you for your custom Starfall Saber Scrapflex, right, by Nick Cohen. As you know, I got this done earlier today. It's installed with a Proffie V2 that you wanted. It's a 2-button setup. You've got a brass Phil Guinness tactile switch right here for your main switch. And then over here, you've got a dome tactile for your auxiliary. And then you've got stock V3 MPXLs in here that I'll fire up here in a second and show you that those all work. But to get to everything, what you want to do is come over here on this handle. There's one grub screw here. So just loosen that a little bit. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just loosen it enough to slide the handle off. Excuse me. And then when you do that, it reveals your crystal chamber right here. So you've got, this isn't a Noah Drew marble, but this is a marble in here. You've got your Proffie board right here. This chassis does slide in and out. So if you need to get to your Proffie board, which you probably will because this just has the stock font package on it, you can slide this chassis out a bit and then you can pop your board up and get to your SD card. But for right now, it's just showing the micro USB right there. But anyway, that will reveal your kill key and your recharge port, and then you've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker in here. Although this has the stock font package on it, I went through on the first font and mess around with the chamber a little bit and had it, I've got it doing something when the saber's off so that you can see it's wired independently. And every font that you add will need 2 blade styles, right? So you just come in here and pull your kill key. And you can see, I'll turn this off. I've got that pulsing until you come over here and hit activation. And it goes to blue, which will match your blade. I gave you a blue unstable on this font. Just like that. And then we'll go over here and we will slide the handle on. Every other stock font on here, the crystal will match the blade. Like I said, I just did that on the first font so that you could see it was wired independently, right? We'll put the handle back on, lock the set screw back down. Come over here to your blade retention, which is right here. And then make sure that's out of the blade socket, obviously, and we'll put a blade in. This takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. And we'll lock that down. Turn it on. Nice smooth swing. The saber's pretty loud. We'll go another sound font.
Smooth Jedi.
Just a solid blue blade on this guy. Nice blade lock up.
Smooth gray.
I'll show you that crystal because the fire blade is pretty cool when you see it on your crystal chamber. Slide this handle off real quick. Get that in the shot.
Smooth fuzz.
Just a red one. I do have your crystal set to flash when the auxiliary button's being pressed or when you have blade lock up. Just like that. And then for this particular setup, I didn't give you the swing on feature, but I gave you the twist off. All right, and we'll take this blade out real quick. The kill switch on this, or the kill key rather, is very low profile. it almost doesn't fit with the handle over it, and it goes in a certain way. So it's not circular on the top. It's cut almost in like a T shape. So what you want to do is just make sure that you line that up and it's going straight up and down like that and not crossways. If it's going crossways or horizontally, the handle won't fit, but straight up and down, and the handle will slide right on. Just like that. And then kind of line up the grub screw on the handle with the grub screw for your crystal chamber, which is right here. And that's something that you don't want to loosen because that locks in the crystal chamber piece. And yeah, it's all set to go. So that's basically your Scrapflex. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this out in the mail to you Monday morning. All right, thanks.